Hello everybody, I am Dr. Mukesh Chandra. I am the head of radiology at Burjeel Specialty Hospital, Sharjah. So today let me introduce you to the facilities which are available with our department. This is a state-of-the-art modern radiology department. We have practically every imaging modality for diagnostic purpose. Starting with the basic X-ray, we have a digital X-ray unit which is fixed, and also we have a portable digital X-ray. So the entire body can be imaged by X-rays in a high resolution. Then moving on to CT scan. As you can see behind me, this is a 128 slice CT scanner, and we can do head to toe imaging. This includes the whole body, head, neck, chest, abdomen, pelvis and extremities. We also do CT angiographies because this is a fast scanner and we get high resolution images. So angiographies of the head and neck, even coronary arteries, both lower limbs, upper limbs can be imaged by using this scanner. Moving on to MRI. MRI, we have a 1.5 Tesla unit. Again, we do whole body imaging, both plane and contrast studies of the head and neck, abdomen, pelvis, all the joints of the body can be imaged. Moving on to the other modalities such as fluoroscopy. Now we have a fluoroscopy unit which is capable of imaging studies such as HSGs or barium studies, etc. Ultrasound, we have again the latest equipment with all the probes and all modalities which we can do. This includes whole body ultrasound. We have abdomen, pelvis commonly, neck, ocular ultrasound, transcranial ultrasound and also musculoskeletal ultrasound. We are doing ultrasound guided procedures such as injection of the shoulder, the plantar fascia, etc. in consultation with the orthopedician. And we have endovaginal probes, we have transrectal probe, we have a 3D and 4D ultrasound. So this is also a very high unit we have. Further imaging is also there in the form of women's imaging that my colleague will be explaining to you. This is the BMD unit or the bone mineral densitometry, also called the DEXA scan. The use of this equipment is to diagnose osteoporosis, which is a condition which affects the bones of the body wherein the calcium levels are less. Now we know that especially ladies in the post-menopausal age group are more prone to it, also elderly males, and so this helps in diagnosing it early and we can institute treatment soon and thereby prevent complications like osteoporotic fractures. In this, what we do is we image the spine, the femur, also the radius we can do. And with the help of all these modalities, we know that when a patient is likely to be suffering from osteoporosis, and the dosage of this is so low. So if you compare it with the chest X-ray, this is 1/8 of that dose. Hence, this is a very useful tool. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dviti Dongra, specialist radiologist from Burjeel Hospital, Sharjah. Here we deal with all women's imaging modalities. Starting from where I stand, we have a low dose mammography digital screening mammogram machine, which mainly deals with screening for patients for breast cancer. If there is anything positive, we confirm it on ultrasound, and even we do FNSs, USG guided FNSC or biopsies. In advanced cases, we go for MRI mammograms. Moving on to ultrasounds, we have good ultrasound machine, high-end ultrasound machine, which deals with starting from convex probes for abdomen, pelvis to look for the pathologies of uterus, ovaries, tubes. We even have an endovaginal probe for looking for transvaginal scans. Apart from that, we do antenatal scans, detailed first trimester scans to look for nuchal translucency. We do detailed anomaly scans in the second trimester and even Doppler studies in the third trimester. Apart from that, we even do 3D, 4D scans meant for seeing the fetal face and hands and everything in detail. We have a fluoroscopy unit in which we do hysterosalpingography, which is a great tool for evaluation of infertility. We do this study with the help of the gynecologist. We are here to take care of you and be rest assured you are in safe hands. Thank you.